Automatically add instructions to your pipelines. Linking instructions directly to the job card can streamline workflows, saving time and eliminating the need to navigate to separate pages. Here, you can see my 1040 pipeline. I want to add a wiki page with instructions for this process to every job that enters the extension stage. To do that, we need to first make sure the wiki page with instructions is published. Then, go to the pipeline settings page and find the extension stage. Click on Add Automations. You can choose the Add Wiki Page option and select the instruction page you created earlier. Once done, save the pipeline settings. Now let's go back to the pipeline view and move a job into the Needs Extension stage. You will be able to see all the automations that will be triggered. As you can see on the job card, the wiki page is now linked. You can click on it to open the wiki page without going to a different page. You can also view it if you open the job first and then click on the linked wiki page. That's how to add instructions to your pipelines.